So today I'm going to show you some tourist spot here in Puerto Princesa City. This is our first tourist spot here in Puerto Princesa. This is the most evident in a small park in Barangay Liwanag called Plaza Cuartel. The ruins of an old garrison and tunnels are proof of its grim past. Plaza Cuartel is also the site of Palawan Massacre. The tunnels where 150 Americans prisoners of war were kept during World War II. But on December 14, 1944, the Japanese decided to kill them by all burning them alive. Here's some information inside the Plaza Cuartel. This is Jose Rizal's monument. The renovation of this Rizal's monument is dedicated by Yuchengo Group of Companies and Rizal's Commercial Banking Corporation, aka RCBC, to the people of the Puerto Princesa City in the province of Palawan, and was officially turned over on March 11, 2013 through Honorable Mayor Edward S. Hagidorn by RCBC President Lorenzo Vitan. The church history could be traced back in 1872 when Spanish missionaries celebrated Puerto Princesa City's very first Mass in the location where the cathedral presently stands. The Immaculate Conception Cathedral in Puerto Princesa is probably one of the grandest and most breathtaking Roman Catholic religious edifices in the city. The City Baywalk is a long stretch of promenade well-paved walk right beside the bay. It's Puerto Princesa's version of Manila Bay, except perhaps this is more neat. The air is fresher, the water is cleaner. The kilometer or so cemented walkway is lined with palm trees, sunflowers, and lamp posts, benches, and of course the view of the bay. Puerto Princesa Baywalk is excellent place where people can have a drink or grab a bite to eat. Thus, enterprising locals set up small food stalls here to serve the populace. Almost 13 years after, many people are still wondering what is the story behind the lady statue in the Baywalk area of Puerto Princesa. Many believe it is the princess of the city according to the myth, and the legends say some claim it is Princess Eulalia of Spain. But the truth is, the real story is the Prinsesa ng Baybay was a project of Rotary Club of Puerto Princesa under the leadership of Palawan pawnshop tycoon Bobby Castro in 2007. As support to the former mayor Edward Hagidorn, it aims to have a landmark same like Merlion of Singapore and the Little Mermaid of Denmark. It was a design contest at first that was launched July 13, 2007, and it was open to all artists of the city that can create a special landmark monument under the theme Ang Prinsesa ng Baybay, simbolo ng ating kultura at buhay.